Perched on the southern coast of the island of Madeira, Funchal is one of those rare cities that feels like it was designed by nature itself. Rolling green hills tumble down toward a sparkling blue harbor. Cobblestone streets wind past colorful markets and centuries-old churches, and everywhere you look, flowers seem to be spilling out of every corner of the city. Funchal isn't just the capital of Madeira, it's the heartbeat of the entire island, a place where Atlantic breezes, volcanic landscapes, and Portuguese charm all come together in one unforgettable destination. Whether you're dreaming of dramatic viewpoints, this city has a way of surprising every traveler who steps off the plane. So if you're planning a trip to this beautiful island, stick around because today we're counting down the 7 best places to visit in Funchal, Portugal. And trust me, the last few on this list are absolutely the best of the best. Mercado dos Lavradores. Let's start our journey in the beating heart of Funchal's daily life, the Mercado dos Lavradores, or Workers' Market. This vibrant, multi-level market has been a gathering place for locals and visitors alike since the 1940s. And the moment you step inside, your senses are completely overwhelmed in the best possible way. Stalls overflow with tropical fruits you've probably never seen before, from spiky soursops to bright purple passion fruit, while flower vendors arrange bouquets so colorful they look almost unreal. Downstairs, the fish market is a spectacle all on its own, with fishmongers skillfully preparing the day's catch, including the strange and unmistakable black scabbard fish that Madeira is famous for. Wandering through this market isn't just about shopping, it's about soaking up the rhythm of everyday Madeiran life, chatting with friendly vendors, and maybe sampling a few exotic fruits along the way. The Cathedral, Funchal Cathedral. Rising above the rooftops of the city center, the Cathedral is one of Funchal's oldest and most significant landmarks, dating all the way back to the late 15th century. Built during the height of the Age of Discoveries, this cathedral blends Gothic and Manueline architectural styles, and its most breathtaking feature lies overhead, an intricately carved wooden ceiling made from native Madeiran cedar, adorned with delicate ivory inlays. Stepping inside feels like entering a hushed sanctuary away from the bustling streets, where soft light filters through stained glass windows on a centuries-old stone. For history lovers and architecture enthusiasts, this cathedral offers a fascinating glimpse into the era when Madeira was first being settled, and it remains an active place of worship for the local community to this day. Monte Palace Tropical Garden. Now we're heading up into the hills above Funchal to one of the island's most magical spots, the Monte Palace Tropical Garden. Spread across acres of lush hillside, this garden is an extraordinary fusion of nature and art, featuring exotic plants from every corner of the globe, tranquil koi ponds, cascading waterfalls, and an impressive collection of azulejo tiles depicting scenes from Portuguese history. Peacocks roam freely among the pathways, and hidden grottos and sculptures appear around nearly every bend, making exploration feel like a treasure hunt. Beyond the natural beauty, the garden also houses a fascinating collection of minerals and African art, adding an unexpected cultural layer to your visit. Many travelers say this is one of the most peaceful and visually stunning places they've ever walked through, and it's easy to see why. Monte and the Toboggan Ride. Speaking of Monte, this hillside village deserves its own spot on this list, thanks to one of the most unique experiences in all of Portugal, the Monte Toboggan Ride. This centuries-old tradition began as a practical mode of transportation and has since become one of Madeira's most iconic activities. Dressed in white and wearing straw hats, 2 skilled drivers guide a wicker sled down steep, winding streets using nothing but their rubber-soled boots to steer and brake. It's thrilling, a little nostalgic, and honestly unlike anything you'll experience anywhere else in the world. Before or after your ride, be sure to visit the beautiful Monte Church, Nossa Senhora do Monte, which offers sweeping panoramic views over Funchal and the deep blue Atlantic beyond. Cabo Girão Skywalk. Now we're getting into the best of the best, and Cabo Girão is an absolute must. Just a short drive from central Funchal. This is one of the highest sea cliffs in Europe, plunging dramatically toward the ocean below. What makes this spot truly unforgettable is its glass-bottomed skywalk, which extends out over the edge of the cliff, letting you look straight down at the crashing waves and the tiny patchwork of farmland clinging to the cliffside far beneath your feet. It's a heart-pounding, adrenaline-inducing experience, and the views stretching along the coastline are nothing short of spectacular. Whether you're a thrill seeker or simply someone who appreciates jaw-dropping natural beauty, Cabo Girão delivers one of the most memorable moments of any trip to Madeira. Funchal Cable Car and Botanical Garden. For panoramic views paired with pure relaxation, the Funchal Cable Car is an experience you simply cannot skip. Gliding silently above rooftops, gardens, and ravines, this cable car carries you from the old town all the way up to Monte, offering sweeping views over the entire city and its dramatic mountainous backdrop. Along the way, you can also connect to the Madeira Botanical Garden, a stunning terraced landscape bursting with vibrant flowers, exotic trees, and meticulously maintained gardens that showcase the island's incredible biodiversity. The combination of the cable car ride and the botanical garden creates a perfect half-day adventure, blending gentle relaxation with some of the most beautiful views Funchal has to offer. Pico do Arieiro and the mountains above Funchal. And finally, saving the very best for last, no trip to Funchal is complete without venturing up to Pico do Arieiro, Madeira's third highest peak, located just a short drive from the city. Standing at over 1,800 meters above sea level, this viewpoint offers a truly otherworldly experience, especially in the early morning, when clouds roll beneath your feet like a soft white ocean and the surrounding peaks pierce through the mist like islands in the sky. From here, hiking trails wind through dramatic volcanic ridgelines toward Pico Ruivo, Madeira's highest point, rewarding adventurous travelers with some of the most awe-inspiring landscapes in all of Portugal. Watching the sunrise from this peak, with Funchal and the Atlantic sprawled out far below, is an experience that stays with you long after you've left the island. And it's without a doubt the best of the best that this incredible region has to offer. And there you have it, the 7 best places to visit in Funchal, Portugal. From the colorful chaos of the workers' market to the breathtaking heights of Pico do Arieiro. Funchal truly is a city of contrasts, where historic streets meet dramatic cliffs, and where tropical gardens sit just a cable car ride away from cloud-covered mountain peaks. Whichever of these spots you choose to explore first, one thing is certain, this island has a way of capturing your heart and pulling you back again and again. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel guides, just like this one, and drop a comment letting us know which of these Funchal locations you're most excited to visit. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, safe travels.